My name's Craig Dingle. I'm tool room manager here at Superite Tools. I've worked here for 24 years. I've been manager for 12. I was asked to try coaching with Kev by my boss some time ago. I've got to be honest with you, I was very sceptical at first. I mean, very sceptical. I didn't think it'd be much use to me, but I've got to be honest with you, I was pleasantly surprised. I've never had any coaching before, and it sounded a little bit, out there, I think. Because I'd never had any before, I didn't know what to expect. But actually, it was pleasantly surprising. It was good. And we meet in a neutral place somewhere off-site, and we just start by talking about your general, how you react to certain situations, and he advises you on how to change those really a little bit. You start to understand how other people work a bit better. I think personally I've started to relate to people a lot better now. I think I'm communicating a lot better with the people on the shop floor, and I'm getting a better reception from them all. Before I had the coaching, I was in a little bit of a rut, and he's helped me to climb out of that now, and I'm a lot more positive than I was before. Just getting that positivity back was, for me, it was giving me a bit of enthusiasm towards work, and talking to people on the shop floor and making them into a better team, really. I think that's the main thing. It's given me something to aim for as well. When I was asked to do it, obviously I didn't think I needed any. How naive, but I think the way I was talking to people, customers were fine, but people on the shop floor, they obviously had a different view of me at the time, and that's been improved quite a lot since then. I think I'm relating to them a lot better, and I think I'm getting more communication with them, and I think I'm getting more out of them because of that. Kev's approach at first, he's just watching to start with, he's asking questions, and obviously if he feels that you're not really taking it all on board, or if you're not really interested, and I'm sure he can tell because he seems to be able to read people really well, he just wouldn't bother, he wouldn't waste your money, he's not going to take it. So he has to know that you are keen. And at first I must have been quite one of them negative people when I came in. I was like, oh God, I've got to have a go at this, but like I say, surprisingly I was quite open to it in the end. Since having the coaching, I've started doing everything differently. I think all aspects of communication on the shop floor, and it's quite hard work as well. It's quite tiring at first because you're thinking about everything that you're doing, everything that you're saying, every little conversation that you're having. You're almost reprogramming yourself to do it in a different way. I think it does make a difference out of work. I wasn't thanking people enough, I wasn't appreciative enough, and you suddenly realise that the way you speak to people is important, and that's definitely changed outside of work as well. Give it a go. What can you say? If you feel like you're unsure and you don't know what's going to do for you, well, what have you got to lose? Just give it a go, because it made a massive difference to me.